we took their temperature before we
Every
let
day?
them into the jury selection. Yeah, every day. So on our first day of our jury trial, we had a retired doctor who moved up here. She was at the Mayo Clinic. She moved up to Bayfield County to retire, plus a registered nurse. And we actually did a jury selection in the Washburn High School gymnasium. And thank goodness I've got the greatest staff in the world to work with me on this. But we had doctors and we did a medical screening. So out of the 44 that showed up, 7 people screened out that they weren't medically able to come in. One of them was a little symptomatic. The others, though, didn't do a lot of social distancing and were at large events recently, and others were traveling out of state. So we went through a screening process and we took their temperatures. And we did that every day for the 12 jurors that were picked.
Judge Anderson, I'm so fascinated by the recommendation for social distancing for jurors. Now, in a traditional jury box, I'd be sitting there, and under these circumstances, if my neighbor coughed, I'd be worried, and I would not be following the testimony. How did you put jurors throughout your entire courtroom?
Well, we spread them out in the well of the courtroom. So our jury box holds 12. So we actually put 6 in the jury box, and we kind of staggered them. And then we had a 7th off to the side next to the jury box. And then because we had 13 actually for this trial, we had 1 alternate. And then we put 5 more out in the well on chairs and socially spread them around so that we were spread around pretty good. We made sure that they could all see monitors, and some monitors that the jurors in the front of the courtroom or in the well were a little smaller, they couldn't see. So I don't assign seats for jury trials. So the next day I said, everyone switch seats. So everyone got a different view on the next day.
Wow.
But yeah, we were able to do it. Now, not every courtroom is the same. And that's one of the reasons that they're letting the individual circuits figure this out, because not every facility is the same. And what works in one county may not work very well in another county.